So guys, magluto tayo ng spinach. Lentil soup with spinach. I mean lentil and spinach. Luto tayo ng sabaw guys. Luto tayo ng soup. O, diba? May iba naman. Yan, first, fried muna ng onions. Onions is always everyday used. Everyday used ang onion. Yun, more onions. Yun. Yung ating lentil, nag-ready na. Fried muna ng onions.